Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to take English grammar when I'm not here. So let's start with chapter 1. Chapter 1 is the sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words. Without words, we cannot make sentence. When we speak or write, we use words and we use these words in group. And also it should make a complete sense. The sentence should create a meaning. Then only it is called a sentence. सेंटेंस का मतलब वाक्य होता है। शब्द के बिना वाक्य नहीं बनता। शब्दों को जोड़कर वाक्य बनाए जाते हैं। वाक्य में एक अर्थ भी होना जरूरी है। सेंटेंस ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप। वाक्य के पहले अक्षर हमेशा कैपिटल होता है और यह खत्म होती है फुल स्टॉप से। I hope you understood what is sentence. See, here is an example. I ice cream. Is this a sentence? No. Why? Because it does not make any sense. But if I say I love ice cream, this make a sense. This is a sentence. I ice cream. इससे एक वाक्य नहीं कहा जाता क्योंकि इसमें कोई अर्थ नहीं है। I love ice cream. मुझे आइसक्रीम पसंद है। यह एक वाक्य है क्योंकि इसमें एक अर्थ है। Now you understood what is sentence. Now let's see its types. There are 4 kinds of sentences: declarative or assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Sentence 4 प्रकार के होते हैं: declarative, assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Now let us understand this. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called declarative or assertive sentence. When we give a statement or a declaration, declaring a fact is called a assertive sentence. Anything which makes a sentence, statement, anything which makes a statement is called a assertive sentence. Example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. हम एक वाक्य में कुछ स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, इसलिए इसको assertive sentence कहते हैं। Assertive sentence can be positive or negative. ये वाक्य पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव भी हो सकते हैं। जैसे अजय फुटबॉल खेलता है, अजय फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता है। ये दोनों assertive sentence है। Next, a sentence which asks a question is called interrogative sentence. Here a question is asked in the sentence. The sentence ends with a question mark. जब वाक्य में सवाल पूछे जाते हैं तब वाक्य को हम इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। यहाँ सेंटेंस के अंत में क्वेश्चन मार्क डाला जाता है। एग्जाम्पल, वेयर डू यू लिव, हाउ आर यू, डू यू लव आइसक्रीम, वेयर डू यू लिव, तुम कहाँ रहते हो, आप कैसे हो, वेयर, हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे हो, डू यू लव आइसक्रीम, आपको आइसक्रीम पसंद है। All these are interrogative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command or an alternative is called an imperative sentence. Those sentences which express command, request, or entities. The sentence which gives a command, an order, or suggests a request is called imperative sentence. Sabir, be quiet. It is an order or command. Have mercy upon us. It is a humble request. So these sentences are imperative sentence. जिस वाक्य में कोई आदेश या विनती की जाती हो उसे हम imperative sentence कहते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, चुप रहो, बी quiet, चुप रहो, इसमें एक आदेश है, हम पर रहम करो। Have mercy upon us, हम पर रहम करो, इसमें एक विनती है, इसलिए ये वाक्य को हम imperative sentence कहते हैं। A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. A sentence where feeling is expressed is called exclamatory sentence and it ends with the exclamation. Example, how cold the night is. What a shame. You can see the exclamation mark there. Isn't it? जब एक वाक्य बड़े भावनाओं से, इमोशन से बताया जाता है तब उसे exclamatory sentence कहते हैं। इस वाक्य में अंत में एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क डाला जाता है। एग्जाम्पल, हाउ कोल्ड द नाइट इज, कितनी ठंड की रात है। व्हाट अ शेम, कितनी शर्म की बात है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज सेंटेंस and is kind. Now I will give you some more examples. Ramu is playing kite. So what the sentence it will be? It's a assertive sentence because no question is asked, no command or request is given, not exclamatory. Then what it is? It is assertive sentence. Where are you going? Do you like to play kite? What is this sentence? Interrogative sentence because question is asked here. Do the homework. Please help me. It is imperative sentence. Why? Because do the homework means we are giving order, command. Please help me is request. So I hope you understood. Next, hooray! Our team has won. This is exclamatory. I hope you understood the lesson. See you next video. Thank you.